Good morning to what is now not a rare, rainy day 257. Yesterday didn't do a lot of filming, so I'm going to quickly have a look around whilst it's just spitting and give you a bit of an oversee on what we actually did. It wasn't a great deal, obviously, because it was peeing down the rain. I got a few blocks up yesterday before the rain came in quite hard. But other than that, we didn't really get a great deal done out here. We managed to take some of the dust sheets, the dust panels we took down, we tried to sell. We put them on marketplace. Didn't get any takers for it, so all of them are 10 foot by 6 foot, so we decided to take them apart and start getting the wood stocked away. We did a little bit of that yesterday. Yesterday I got the actual hole broken back through here, and got all the drainage and everything sorted back out in there, so I'll show you that in a minute. And the guys focused on getting the ceiling finished in here, ready for plasterboard and electrical conduit. But literally this mud here is settling. As soon as you stand on it, you go down 4 or 5 inches. So it's good that the rain's actually come, because it is helping the soil bed in, and it's also helping us with the sort of the French drain thing we've done over here. We haven't been able to get over to see how effective it's been. It shouldn't be that effective, because obviously in that corner there we still haven't dug out down the side. But that's one of my intentions, as soon as the rain stops, is to get that dug out and get that finished off and get the wall up behind. Let me take you down and show you very quickly. It's a bit dark down here, but let me show you what we actually did yesterday, just on the drainage front. So we managed to get it all swept out down here. So that's now changed. It's got a little bit of a leakage coming in around the concrete itself, so we're going to have to re-silicone that, but we've run the actual drain all the way along now, and then it goes out, so we're going to have to re-seal this. Still got a bit of water in here, because what was actually happening is the water was dripping onto the blocks, if you remember in the video, and leaking backwards. We've had that mortar sort of slope done now, so the water will leak straight back out. So we'll get this swept out today. This is the old mains water into the building, so we can disconnect that now, we don't need that. We do have, it's patio above here, so we do have some water coming through in certain patches. But you know, this is only a storage area anyway, so it's not major. And this is your general storage room at the moment. So today we're going to get this tidied up, get all the wood put into certain orders, get the wood upstairs that we physically need to finish off, because we're going to start putting the bathroom in today. Upstairs in the cottage is a little it's a 1-bedroom dance studio-y gym type situation. But we're going to put a toilet in one corner. So we'll start building the actual infrastructure for that today. 2x4s, 7 foot wide, 10 foot long, straight to the ceiling. So we'll get that started today. A lot of the stuff we need to do is outside, so we obviously rodded this, ready to start actually plastering that, but you couldn't get around to doing that. Don't think this is locked. Oh no, the screw is shut. Donuts. Okay, well, I'll take you in there, but later on I'll show you what they've done in there. Morning, how are you? So I'll give you a bit of an update, obviously, what happened in there. So it was just repainted, the ceiling's pretty much up. Yeah, it's good to go in there, really. So I'll give you a quick overview on that in a minute when I can get in. Other than that, today, it's still rainy, unfortunately. So today, we did one of the window jams there, because again, same thing, water was coming down, landing and running backwards. So we also put an angled window jam on there, and we need to do the same on this one here as well, but it doesn't get a lot of rain. And I'm going to get them to do it all on all window jams, because in here, all of the jams themselves are all floor height. So we need to make sure that all of them are leaning backwards as well, because they're all leaning flat. So the rain lands and goes straight to the house. So we definitely need to get that sorted, that's for sure. Other than that, when the rain does subside and the blocks start flying back up again, we were hoping to have the garage done by Sunday. But the rain's really put a caution on that. We are thinking about, even though it's a bit premature, we're thinking about getting that completely whitewashed. You know, we're going to be putting a concrete roof on, and the white's going to get killed, but at the moment it's just a mess. So I just said, at the moment, whilst we've got painters here, and we have the paint. Let's get an undercoat on it, brighten it up a little bit. So we're going to get those on that today, if the rain subsides. I've not looked at the actual weather forecast today, but yesterday it stayed in all day. So I'm pretty sure it's going to do the same. The one benefit we have had is it's actually cleansed the road. The road was very dusty and very, just awful. The one thing you can see in the rain, white mortar goes very cream. So it's a very cream looking building when it's wet. It's meant to be white. Grey wall seems to do its thing, but again on a couple of the greys we've got a couple of streaks going on it, so I just need to make sure it's got enough coats on there. Again, we've had the concrete pours, there's concrete splashes now and then. That's what happens as soon as you start painting before concrete, you'll end up getting ruined. Again, we want to try and get these sorted out today as well. If anything, just get them cut back before someone runs over them. So again, if you remember rightly, they came straight to here and their little 45-degree angle, and everyone kept on reversing over them, so we've detoured them to here. And then when we have this concrete piece done here, which hopefully will flow, geez, if we can't get that bit right, don't deserve to be in bloody construction, that's for sure. So yeah, we need to get that bit done. And once that's done, we'll encompass that piece as well. We'll take it right around, and then we'll have those. I'm going to get those cut off anyway before, because I could see it happening. So one of them was already broken, so I'm hoping that was just broken before it was put in. But yeah, we'll just get those lobbed off, just where the actual the breeze block is. Get it cut off there for now, and then we'll concrete them in a little bit later on. Other than that, I want to put the downstairs WC ceiling in today. I'm going to put plasterboard ceiling in there, get that filled, get that painted, and then I want the bathroom suite put in, so that'll be quite a quick thing. Just a small sink unit and toilet, little LED mirror, job done. So that should be done quite quickly today. I'll get the guys to help me with that, get that put up, and I'm going to finish off the kickboards on the kitchen. Other than that, yeah, so I put the end boards on, kickboards on some of it, drawers in, just to put some admin on there. So that's all pretty much done. The only thing I needed to do obviously was get the remaining doors done. So the kitchen fitter came out yesterday, measured up. He's going to try and get all those finished off for me in the next week or two, so hopefully we can get the kitchen finished. I'm hoping Monday we've got some of the bedroom doors and bathroom doors coming, and hopefully they're going to start making a bit of a dent on trying to get the front door sorted, because at the moment it seems to have just fallen over and died. Today we've got some 2x4s being delivered from Koymans. Big shout out to Koymans. Pretty much an investor in those now. They're delivering the 2x4s for the bathroom. They're delivering concrete board for the ceiling in here, and obviously the inner boards of the bathroom. They're delivering a door frame and some doors. That's so that we can obviously get the downstairs doors in and get some security put on there now. So yeah, we've got some bits being delivered today, but again, it's not looking like this is going to clear up and go away. So I think we're going to be stuck with this for the remainder of the day, but then hopefully we'll be back to normal tomorrow. So anyway, I'll update you as we go. It's only just gone 8 o'clock now. I'll check in a bit later on.